In this video, we will see a real quick and easy way of using Pom Pom and disposal glasses for simple home decorations for the string light for any occasions at our home. For this, you will need some disposal glasses, a paper cutter, some colorful crochet thread or some colorful wool, a pair of scissors, a fork, glue gun. You can also use Fevicol or some other adhesives. And of course, you'll need string lights. Let's get started real quick without wasting further time. So let's begin with the fork and the crochet thread. Wrap the thread this way around the fork. Wrap the thread 25 to 30 times to get enough volume for the pom-pom. Once the wrapping is over, cut the thread and then take another piece of thread and tie the wrapped thread at the center. Keep it tight enough so that it doesn't open. Remove the thread from the fork and spread out the loops a little bit. Take a very sharp scissor and cut through all the loops of the thread. Repeat the same process for all the other colors of yarn or the crochet thread, whatever you're using. If you use a yarn, it will look more fluffy and have so much volume. So it's up to you what kind of design you want. Once you're done with making the pom-pom, take the glass and the paper cutter and make a cross at the back of the glass from which we will put the string light into the glass. We are ready with the pom-pom and the glass. Now it's time to stick them to the glass and give it a final touch. So take the glue gun. So paste the pom-pom this way. I'll use 3 for one glass. Go with the other glasses and all the other pom-pom that you have created. You can create as many pieces as you want. And we are ready to put in the string lights into this. So this is how easy this DIY is. Simple, easy and beautiful and real quick with the materials available at home. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a try at your place. Hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Keep smiling and have a good day.